Hello, my name is Cynthia. Thank you so much for clicking. In this video, I want to discuss 3 possible reasons why a married man or a married woman may feel unloved or unwanted in her marriage or his marriage. So, without wasting your time, let's go into the video. But before I forget, guys, please give this video a like, share it, follow, and subscribe. Thank you. Reason number 1 is likely to be an obvious reason. Maybe because you have said something or done something to suggest that you do not love your spouse. Yes, maybe you have said a word, because they say from the abundance of the heart, the mouth speaketh. So whatever you say may be coming from your heart and your spouse is holding on to what you said. Or you have acted in a way that suggests that you do not love your spouse. For instance, you're cheating, maybe cheating over and over. Hello, you cannot say you love your spouse and you're doing all that. So that is one possible reason. Number 2, it's possible that your love language and that of your spouse are just too different. Now, love language is the way people choose to give love or receive love. So it's possible that your spouse and yourself have 2 different love languages. So I'll quickly go over the love languages. Number 1, quality time. Your spouse may prefer that you show them that you love them by spending quality time with them. No matter how busy you can get, you have to find out time for your spouse. Number 2, physical touch. Your spouse may prefer hugs, cuddles, and all those things in order to feel love. Number 3, words of affirmation. Your wife may prefer that you tell them how wonderful they are, how beautiful they are, how handsome they are, how hardworking they are. Appreciate their little efforts. Number 4, gifts. Your spouse may prefer that you give them gifts in order to show them that you love them. Besides, they say love and giving go together. And then number 5, your spouse may prefer that you show them that you love them by doing some acts of service, helping them here and there, showing them that you love them. If you love someone, you want to help that person. If you see that person is having a difficulty or a hard time, you want to be there for that person. That's how some people prefer to be loved. Now, we all agree that people have different love languages. So if your love language is different from that of your spouse, there may be a disconnect at one point. Your spouse may be feeling that he or she is not loved, he or she is not wanted, because you are not expressing your love the way he or she appreciates it. For instance, if your wife prefers quality time, she wants you to at least make out time for her, you instead decide to give her more money, she may not appreciate it. Why? Because she wants quality time more. Yes, she may like the fact that you are giving her money, but then there'll still be something lacking. She wants to be convinced that you love her by making out time for her. So, as I've said earlier on, if this is the case, please discuss with your wife if you must, or at least observe the kind of things your wife or your husband prefers and try your best to give love in the way that he or she will appreciate it. It will be of no use, for instance, you buying a gift for your spouse and your spouse doesn't appreciate it. Maybe you're buying it with all that excitement, you are hurrying home to go and give your gift to your spouse and he or she will not appreciate it. It's heartbreaking. So find out what he or she likes and give love in that way. Number 3, there may be unresolved issues in your marriage that is causing your spouse to feel unloved. For instance, there may be a betrayal, maybe there is some unforgiveness, maybe there's pain, anger, and stress, and depression, and all these emotions. With all this in place, your spouse is likely to feel unloved. Why? Because, things have not been properly addressed. So, in this case, have a conversation with your spouse in order to bridge this disconnection so that there will not be emotional distance between the both of you. I thank you so much for watching. If you found this video useful, please like, share it, and please follow and subscribe. Until I come your way again, stay blessed.